You manage a Power BI model and need to compute a calculated column for year-over-year revenue growth. The column should reflect the proportion of change relative to the revenue of the same month in the prior year. Which DAX functions complete the formula? Option A, next year. Option B, parallel period. Option C, previous year. Option D, same period last year. Option E, calculate. Option F, divide. Option G, fact. Option H, sum.
In my view, the correct answers are same period last year and calculate. To calculate the year-over-year ratio of change compared to the previous year's monthly revenue, the same period last year function is used inside the calculate function for both parts of the DAX expression. Same period last year evaluates expressions over a set of dates that are 1 year prior to the current context, making it ideal for monthly or daily comparisons. The other time intelligence functions, like previous year or parallel period, operate differently or shift by full calendar years in a way that may not align cleanly with identical periods for monthly data.